problem on load flow analysis based on Newton Raphson method. GATE 2016. In GATE 2016 question, a power system has 100 bus. Question corresponding number of buses are given. Total number of buses is 100. So you can say the total number of buses is 100. Clear or not? Now then, including 10 generator bus. Number of generator buses is 10, means PV bus is 10. Number of PV buses are, that is generator bus, that is 10. Clear? Now next one, for the load flow analysis using Newton Raphson method. Okay, the power system is polar coordinate, the size of Jacobian. Our motto determine Jacobian. Means n is Jacobian matrix, means n is to n. Okay, what about n? N I have already discussed. N is L plus M. So our motto, we determine L and M, then both are adding, then we got the answer. Okay, after adding n is to n. Okay, now according to question, so total number of buses is 100. Okay, number of PV buses means generator bus is given, that is 10. Clear? Now next one, what about load bus? Load bus is, so number of load bus means PQ bus, that is total number of bus minus generator bus, that is you got 90. Clear or not? After that, how can resolve Newton Raphson method? I know that in Newton Raphson method, one bus as a slack bus we have taken always, as one bus as PV bus is considered as slack bus. Okay, so if you consider one is a slack bus, second one, so number of total bus is 10 minus 1 because of slack bus already PV bus. So what about PV bus? After, if this one is taken slack bus, then 10 minus 1, that is 9. So what about PQ bus? PQ bus remaining 90. Okay, so I know that number of P specified. Okay, P specified means both, that is both PV and PQ bus. Okay, P specified in here also and here also. So 9 plus 99, that is 90 plus 9, that is finally 99. Okay, and what about Q? Is Q specified, number of Q specified, that is PQ bus. Okay, so what about M? That is 90. Okay, after that both are adding, we got 189. So size of Jacobian is 189 into 189. So finally answer is A is the correct option. Make it. Now corresponding to question, first already in GATE of 2014, 183 bus power system has 150 PQ bus, okay, given, and 32 PV bus. So what about total number of buses is 183, and corresponding question, PQ bus is 150 and number of PV bus, that is 32. Using Newton Raphson method in polar coordinate, the minimum number of simultaneous equation to be solved is, our motto determine n. So how can we determine n? So first of all, total number of bus like this one, and what about PQ bus, that is 150, and number of PV bus is 32. Okay, if both are adding and subtracting here, then we got slack bus. So one is slack bus and PV bus is 32 and PQ bus is 150. Now after that, our motto determine n. So n is L plus M. N is L plus M. Okay, so how can we determine L? L is the specified, P specified. Number of P specified means both PV and PQ bus, adding up both, because of P is available here and here also, that's why adding we got 182. After that, what about M? M is means number of Q specified, Q available in only PQ bus, that's why that is 150. After that, if both are adding, then we got 332. This is the answer. Okay, so n is 1332. So final answer is 1332 is the right answer. Make it. According to question in 2017, in a load flow problem solved by Newton Raphson method with polar coordinate. The size of Jacobian is 100 to 100 is given. It means the size of Jacobian is what about size, that is n is to n. What about n is given 100 into 100. It means what about n, that is 100. Okay, I know that. What about n? N is L plus m. L plus m. What about L? L is specified. L is total number of P specified, that is PV bus and PQ bus. Clear? And what about M? M is the total number of Q specified, that is PQ bus. Okay, I have already know that. So now next target is, if there are 20 PV bus in addition to the PQ bus and slack bus, the total number of bus in the system is, our motto determine total number of bus. PQ bus are already given. PV bus already given. PV bus, then PV bus the number of PV bus is excluding effectively excluding slack bus, that is 20. No slack bus in that PV bus. Okay, so written is 20. Okay, now if you consider PQ bus is X, then our motto determine L and M. So how can we determine L? L is the total number of P specified, that is PV bus and PQ bus. PV bus already given, that is 20, and PQ bus is I have already taken, that is X. So 20 plus X. Now next target is M. M is the total number of Q specified, that is PQ bus. This is X. Okay. So if this value and this value put here, 100 is equal to 20 plus X. So we got X is equal to 40. What about total bus? Total bus is the, according to Newton Raphson method, I have already know, one is the slack bus, and second one is number of PQ bus and plus PV bus. PV bus plus PQ bus plus slack bus, that is total number of bus. So total number of bus, that is one is a slack bus plus PV bus plus PQ bus. PQ bus is 40. I have already done it. So finally answer is 61 is the final answer. Make it.